Today we shall be exploring how to make deposits into our account in Quopi. Currently I'm on my dashboard in the Quopi website, and just by the way, the returns for yesterday is stated here on the right hand side. You can see the stock trader and 1.85%, while the crypto trader was a very good day, 4.13%. Now to go ahead to our mission for this video, to try and make deposits into Quopi, into our account, we click on manage funds. So we click on this icon. When we click on that icon, it brings up this information. We can either stake funds, you can look at your stakes, or you can withdraw funds. But since we want to make deposits, what we do is we click on stake funds. Once we click on stake funds, it brings us to this particular web page. And looking through the web page, you can see it says invest any amount starting from only $10, receive profits from Quopi trader activities for 30 business days. Your original stake is returned at the end of the staking period. So basically, this particular page takes into consideration both the stock trading bot and the crypto trading bot. So you have to identify which particular one you want to make a deposit for. So if, for example, you want to make for stock trader, we go ahead since it's the default, and then we pick the particular currency we want to deposit in. It could be Bitcoin, it could be the Tether, it could be the Dogecoin, and so on. It could be Tron. So you pick a particular one you want to deposit with. So let's say, for example, we pick Tether. Then you must also identify whether you want to use your funds on the platform or you want to bring in funds from outside. So once you identify that, it will now tell you the required amount. If it is, for example, this is assuming it is stock trading, then the minimum is $10. You just insert that amount here. The amount in, once you insert the amount in the particular currency you want to bring in, it will automatically bring out the amount in USD. So you now identify whether you want to automatically restake the funds at the end of the staking period or not. If you want to do that, you leave it at the default. If not, you just click it, and then, which means that the funds will be put into your account once the staking period is over, which is usually 30 days. So but let's leave it staked. Once we have done that, let's go up. For example, supposing what we want to bring in is for crypto trading. What we do is we click on this. So once we click on that, we also pick, that is already picked now. We now click the currency, assume also that is still Theta TRC20. Then we go down, we identify what we want to do from the outer wallet. This for right now can only be brought in through the outer wallet, not from platform balances. So you will notice that the minimum here now is 500 USDT. That's the minimum required. So all you do is insert that amount, assuming that is the amount you want to bring in. You see that it automatically calculates for you in the USD value, and then once you do that, as I said, depending on whether you want to automatically restake or not, you now just click stake. I'm not clicking stake because I'm just using this as a demonstration. I'm not about to bring in funds right now. So once you click that, what happens is that a new page will appear, and on that page it will give you the wallet address belonging to Quopi, into which you must make your deposits. There are two things we need to take into consideration when we're about to make deposit into account in Quopi. The first is that this crypto trader bot icon will not appear for most people, because currently most people are not profiled for the crypto trading activity of the company. As indicated in the roadmap of the company, 2,000 are currently traded, 2,000 are currently profiled, another 4,000 will be profiled by the 20th of this month of November. And then by first week of January next year, which is 2024, another the entire batch will now be allowed to come in to trade the crypto trading bot. Another thing to note is that you must always take out your funds via any currency through which you bring it in. If you bring in Bitcoin, therefore, you must take out your funds via Bitcoin. If you bring in TRC20 Tether, you must take out your funds through that means. Having said that, as we said, assuming you have indicated that you want to stake, therefore to deposit funds, and you have now obtained the wallet address on the next web page, that is the Quopi wallet address, you go over to your own wallet and effect the transfer from there into the Quopi wallet address you obtained. That should take only a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes. And on that web page where the Quopi wallet address is stated, which is the next web page you get to after clicking this, you will notice that right under it, a particular icon will begin to flicker after a few minutes, implying that the address, the Quopi address, is already sensing the arrival of your funds from your wallet. Once you see that flicker, all you need to do is go over here to stakes, and in stakes you will see that your amount would have arrived. That is, if it's $500, it will be listed somewhere, and then it will be automatically added to your total staked amount. Basically, that's what it entails to deposit funds into your Quopi wallet. To ensure you always see our updates in your subscription timeline, please click on the subscribe button below this video. Once you are subscribed to our channel, you will see a bell button beside the subscription button. Please click on the bell button to ensure you are immediately notified as we upload any video content.